Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with black alloy rims and blacked out Chevrolet emblems. We also have rear privacy tint, black leather interior seating, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sunroofs, heated and cooled seats, and backup camera. Now on to the interior of the Traverse. We'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off with the door panel. We have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, and memory seat controls. Below we have our window and mirror controls, some leather trim, then our leather armrest close handle, power liftgate controls, Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment and lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with digital screen in the middle. Controls for that screen are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left we have our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel option, and the wheels wrapped in black leather. We have our push start, infotainment screen displaying our audio, phone, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, users for the vehicle, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have our integrated reverse and overhead cameras with adaptive guidelines. Optional fold up the screen, featuring storage behind. Then our radio controls and climate controls underneath. We have heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, as well as our sequential fan speed lighting. Below that is our charging outlets and wireless charging pad. Gear selection stalk, a couple of cup holders, and then our electric park brake, traction control, lane departure warning, and active all-wheel drive controls. So we could change the vehicle from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive depending on driving conditions. We have our padded leather center console lid, some perforated leather and gold stitching. And here's our key, lock and unlock buttons, remote start, and then power liftgate activation with our Chevrolet badge on the other side, and this key is finished in textured rubber. Inside of the center console we have a removable tray and plenty of storage underneath. The front seats are featured in black leather with the same copper stitching we've seen throughout the vehicle and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And again, these are heated and cooled seats. Our rear view mirror doubles as a rear view camera. Above that we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, as well as 3 garage door openers, and our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the Traverse, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with some red striping and Chevrolet badge center caps. We have Traverse badging featured in red and black on the side, paint matched mirror caps and door handles. The door handles feature our chrome lock and unlock buttons. We can see our rear privacy tint. Now around to the back of the vehicle, we have our blacked out Chevrolet emblem. It's kind of gunmetal gray trim there, as well as all-wheel drive and Traverse badging with dual exhaust underneath. Power activated liftgate, inside of which we have plenty of storage room with the rear seats fully reclined. You can see we have full rubber mats, and these also lay down flat to offer more storage in the back. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Traverse, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, window controls, our cup holder, close handles, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear climate control and heated seat options, as well as some charging outlets and storage. You can see that screen lights up when we flip on the rear climate. The rear seats are featured in, we have 2 buckets in the middle portion with the same perforated leather and copper stitching. The only addition is an armrest. And moving down the aisle in the far rear we have a 60-40 split bench. And off to either side we have some storage, cup holder, and a USB port. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.